is to do the About page. So we're going to go here to add elements, sections, add a section, add a row, add an element, subheadline. We're going to add our subheadline. About Jacob's Garden Services. I want to do it like that. Then I'm going to go to advanced and I'm going to do text transformation to uppercase. Then I'm going to go back to general. Then we're going to look at our font weight and we're going to make it semi-bold. And we're going to go to our color. We're going to go to custom colors and that looks beautiful. And now we're going to go and we're going to add a subheadline and we're going to add our body. Now the reason why I use a subheadline here instead of paragraph is that continuously throughout this template I use subheadlines instead of paragraphs. So we're going to put in our body here, paste, and just going to click inside. It's normal, and we're going to make sure we want 22. That's fine. You can see the difference there, and we're going to press save. Waiting for it to save there, and then we're going to go back to elements. We're going to grab another subheadline, and we're going to go and we say our mission. I put in our mission. And I'm going to go to advanced. I'm going to go to uppercase. Back to general. And then we're going to go and we're going to do our color, custom, click back. And we're going to go semi-bold. And we're going to add a subheadline. And we're going to copy our body, go back. And we're going to paste, and we are going to make sure that we are on 22. You have to be consistent, otherwise your site's going to look odd. Okay, and we're going to press save, and we're going to go to add an element, subheadline, and we're going to say why choose us. Okay, here we go. And we're going to go to advanced, and uppercase, and we're going to go up back here to general, and we're going to make sure, yes, and we're going to go to semi-bold, we're going to go to custom colors, there we go, and now we're going to add a subheadline and add the body. And in this case, a line left. That looks good. 22. That looks great. And we're going to save. Just wait, and now we're going to preview. And that looks awesome.